chapter 11. Chapter 11, statistics. Statistics. Okay, statistics. This is the chapter, new chapter, 11th chapter. Now you see what you have to start. Arithmetic mean. Okay, so what is the arithmetic mean? To find the mean of numerical data. Okay, so arithmetic mean is what? You can understand this arithmetic mean is the, you can say as like average. Okay, average you know about the average na? Same is the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is also the first plus last upon 2, this. Okay, so arithmetic mean is like mean, average. So for the finding arithmetic mean, what we'll do, the sum of the all the scores upon total number of scores, that is called as mean. शॉर्टकट में हम इसे मीन भी बोलते हैं. सो अरिथमेटिक मीन. स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या है? दिस इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. स्टैटिस्टिक्स is the branch of statistics is the branch of mathematics. Okay, that deals with the collection organizing analyzing and interpreting the data, clear? So this is called as what? Statistics. Clear? Now arithmetic METIC, arithmetic mean. Clear? So what is the arithmetic mean? So arithmetic mean is what? To find the mean of the numeral data. Okay, add all the scores of data and divide the sum by the total number of scores. Okay, so arithmetic mean in shortcut we say it's mean also. So mean is equal to sum of all the scores divided by total number of scores Clear? So this is called as mean. Okay, so this is called as mean. Arithmetic mean, in shortcut we say mean. You can say average also, whatever you learn about the average. Now, so practice set 11.1 we are going to start. Okay, in this chapter we will know about the tally marks, ओके, टैली मास्क का हम यूज करते हैं एंड दे आर मेकिंग द टेबल्स, ओके स्पेशली। तो स्टेटिस्टिक्स का आजकल बहुत यूज होता है इस पे, इन क्रिकेट आल्सो इट इज यूजिंग स्टेटिस्टिक्स, ओके। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिस सेट 11.1। practice set 11.1, clear? So what is this? So first question is what the following table shows the number of sapling planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the number of average number of sapling planted by the each students. Okay, the following table shows the number of sapling planted by 30 students. Fill in the block boxes and find the average number of sapling planted by each student. So what is there? This is given here, table is given, okay, number of sapling given and number of students given, okay. So now you have to